Welcome to today's roadshow. My name is Gabrielle, and today we're looking at Enzyme Wizard's range of cleaning products. Now, these solutions provide a safe alternative to toxic chemicals used in many home cleaning products. Enzyme Wizard utilizes organic, environmentally friendly formulas that deliver superior cleaning, disinfection, and odor elimination performance. Most of all, it promotes healthier homes and offices through safe organic ingredients. This proudly Australian company provides products that easily rival or surpass other conventional home cleaners while focusing on environmental safety and sustainability. Here's Jamie Flinkier with a quick overview of the company.
Enzyme Wizard, we are actually the manufacturer, an Australian company, and we manufacture natural, environmentally friendly cleaning products, all plant-derived, so it's natural organic. The Enzyme Wizard products work by actually breaking down the dirt into a natural component. So it's actually converting dirt into CO2 and water, so it actually evaporates the dirt. All our Enzyme Wizard products are suitable and used in industrial action, commercial cleaning, and the domestic home. Really, anyone who wants to get off using nasty caustic chemicals around the house or around people, this is the perfect solution.
Thank you, Jamie. First up, we'll see an overview of enzyme-based cleaners. Now, Christy, can you explain enzyme cleaners to us?
Thanks, Gabrielle. Basically, these enzyme cleaners utilize biological compounds that break down soiling quickly and effectively, similarly to the enzymes in your stomach that break down food. There are many advantages to enzyme-based cleaners. These cleaners easily deal with stubborn dirt and persistent odors since the cleaning action often lasts several days, ensuring stains are completely removed. The tiny enzyme molecules can penetrate deep into surfaces like carpet to eliminate all soiling. Best of all, enzyme cleaners are completely free of harsh chemicals that are indiscriminate in their cleaning process. Caustic cleaners, for example, can damage carpet fibers while removing stains, but enzyme cleaners cause no such problems. Enzyme cleaners are pH neutral and very low on environmental impact since the only byproducts are water and CO2. That means all these cleaners are safe to go down the drain after use, as they're guaranteed marine safe and septic safe. The lack of harsh chemicals also makes them a great choice for pet owners or people sensitive to chemicals like asthmatics. Traditional enzyme cleaners contain a host of friendly bacteria that produce enzymes on the spot. But these cleaners often cannot be mixed, so there are several different products required for different types of stains. Enzyme Wizard utilizes plant-based enzymes that are easily mixed into formulas suitable for all sorts of different stains. All Enzyme Wizard products offer soap-free and residue-free formulas, so no dirt is accumulated after cleaning. There are so many advantages to enzyme-based cleaners, it's a wonder anyone still uses chemical cleaning.
Thanks, Christy. Enzyme Wizard offers different product categories as well. Now, Sarah is here. Sarah, can you explain to us some more about the different products in this range?
Sure thing. Enzyme Wizard's cleaners are broken up into just a few categories, differentiated by cleaning method and intended use. For example, if you're using an extraction washer, you'll need a different product than a simple spray and wipe style cleaner. Most typical home cleaner types are covered with products from floor cleaners to spot stain removers and surface disinfectants. There are 5 different categories to look at. Enzyme Wizard's carpet shampoo is specifically designed to loosen tough stains and dirt on carpets. It's easily diluted down for a pre-spray clean or used directly in carpet shampoo and extraction washers. It offers a powerful clean that penetrates deep into carpet fibers, destroying all organic matter in the stain, not just lifting the top layer. The carpet and upholstery cleaner works similarly to the carpet shampoo, but is made to be applied directly to stains as a spot cleaner. With fast-acting cleaning, this product eliminates odours by getting straight to the source of the stains. It works against all sorts of different stain types, including stubborn materials like blood, makeup, oil, automotive grease, and even certain inks. This is definitely a handy one to keep around for accidental spills. No Rinse Floor Cleaner works as it says. It destroys stains without any rinsing. This industrial strength cleaner works on grease, oil, and other food waste, lifting stains from grout lines like tile backsplashes above the stove. It's perfect for use in floor cleaners, scrubbers and pressure washers, but it's also easy to use with a mop, all without rinsing afterwards and delivering a streak-free finish. No rinse floor cleaner is safe to use on all surface types, including stone, laminate, concrete and wood. Enzyme Wizard's urine stain and odour remover is a must-have for pet stains. With a specially designed surfactant that penetrates uric crystals and removes odours, it's the best weapon against these stains. It's completely pet-friendly too and safe to use around animals. This cleaner contains a water-soluble fragrance that counteracts odours quickly. It can be used on all carpets and floor types, as well as fabric, mattresses and synthetic grass. Surface Sanitizer and Protectant is a high-performance surface sanitizer that disinfects virtually all germs and viruses. It's been approved for use against COVID-19 and has been tested and certified by laboratories across the world. Like other Enzyme Wizard cleaners, it's environmentally friendly and non-toxic. Enzyme Wizard floor cleaners are safe to use in all machine cleaners and do not impact or void manufacturer warranties whatsoever. It's the same as using any other cleaner for these appliances. Enzyme Wizard products come in sizes suitable for home usage all the way up to 20-litre capacity for commercial applications. Thanks to their high concentrate, you get plenty of product out of each bottle. The spot cleaner solutions come in handy spray bottles for instant usage.
Enzyme Wizard provides superior cleaning performance compared to chemical cleaners, while being much safer for use around people and your pets. Now, if you're still using chemical cleaners, it's time to check out the alternatives. Before we end, let's have a quick look at what we've discussed today. Enzyme Wizard utilises plant-based enzymes that are easily mixed into formulas suitable for all sorts of different stains. The categories of Enzyme Wizard's cleaners are differentiated by their cleaning method and intended use. There are 5 different categories to look at. Enzyme Wizard's carpet shampoo is specifically designed to loosen tough stains and dirt on carpets. It's easily diluted down for a pre-spray clean or used directly in carpet shampoo and extraction washes. The carpet and upholstery cleaner works similarly to the carpet shampoo, but is made to be applied directly to stains as a spot cleaner. No rinse floor cleaner works as it says. It destroys stains without any rinsing. This industrial strength cleaner works on grease, oil and other food waste, lifting stains from grout lines like tile backsplashes above the stove. Enzyme Wizard's urine stain and odour remover is a must-have for pet stains. With a specially designed surfactant that penetrates uric crystals and removes those odours, it's the best weapon against these stains, and it's completely pet-friendly too. Surface Sanitizer and Protectant is a high-performance surface sanitizer that disinfects virtually all germs and viruses. That's all from us today at Cyber Shack, but we're excited to bring you more incredible products on the next roadshow. Until then, thanks for watching.